Hi, my name is BJ, and I'm going to give you a 2-minute tour of the Enginius platform. Enginius is an online marketing analytic platform that has been designed specifically for instructors who want to let their students experience the power of marketing analytics without the hassle of relying on complex statistical software or programming languages. Enginius is easy to use and super user-friendly. There is no installation required, and everything is accessible from the dashboard. Case studies, data sets, models, tutorials. Each model has only a few essential options, so you can focus your teaching on the business problems without wasting your time on statistical mumbo-jumbo. But don't be fooled by its apparent simplicity. Enginius is a very powerful piece of software. It includes segmentation, positioning analysis, conjoint analysis, predictive modeling, customer lifetime values, and price optimization, among others. You can load and analyze your own data, generate PowerPoint reports automatically, or even use Enginius for term projects. Finally, Enginius is fully customizable. Whether you want to use just one case study on a specific topic, cover a few applications, or create a full-blown marketing analytics course from scratch, Enginius can be fully customized to your needs. Your students will only see what you need them to see. If you want to beef up your course with marketing analytics, give Enginius a try. And by the way, registered instructors have full access to Enginius and all of its case studies, instructor slides, and teaching notes with no limitations for free and forever.